Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Do It Yourself Designs. My name is Marcia. Today I have a lovely exciting idea for you. I found this pair of pants in a charity shop and they are utility type style type of trousers, so it will be quite interesting to make into a utility dress, like it's been quite fashionable lately, as you can see in some of the magazines. So I probably will copy something like that and have that style, utility style. So I'm quite excited about this new project. I also noticed that these trousers has a lot of features of this Balmain military style jacket. The flaps that looks like lapels in the waist area, the big pockets. So there's lots of features already in it, so it will be very useful to reuse it and make the jacket. So I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and hit the subscribe button. That will help me to produce more videos like this one, and will help the channel to grow as well. Thank you very much. Without further ado, let's get started. These trousers were in a reduced rail in a charity shop. It was only £1, the label still in it, the price tag. And I found it that it was quite interesting, all the details, all the features in it, so I thought it would be quite useful to make something that I could reuse all these pockets and all these extra details in it. So I'll have to unpick the pockets, the flaps, everything from the side of the trousers so I can reuse it when I make the jacket. I find men's clothes great for upcycling, as they are usually larger and have quite a lot of material to work with. I'll have to do a lot of unpicking, but will be worth it in the end. I will also have to remove the back pocket, otherwise it will be upside down when I make the jacket, so I'll have to unpick it all around. I recommend this pattern here from Butterick 5005 because I found it's the closest in style to the original Balmain jacket. And also is a very easy pattern for beginners. If you don't want to use a pattern, you can copy one of your favorite jackets by using the pinning method that I used in this orange jacket video. I will leave a link down below if you want to see it. I'm just trying my front pattern piece against the trousers. I'm going to reuse this section of the waist area, and that will be my waist section in the jacket front and back. It will also save me some time as the waist is already finished. So now I'm going to unpick this section here of the zipper, so it will give me more fabric to fit into the pattern piece. And here it is. Now I have enough fabric to cut the pattern, and I'm allowing about 3 centimeters from the waist area because I'm going to use the waist instead of the band that I was going to add at the end, so I'll be cutting all around. Now I'm lining up the other side of the front of the jacket so they both match perfectly with the seams and they both look symmetrical. So I'm going to cut it all around now. I pinned the pockets at the front of the jacket just to see how it looks, and I also did some rows of top stitching to hide the seams that were there originally, so it looks quite neat. I already cut one side of the back. Now I'm lining up to the other side of the back of the trousers, so everything matches and both sides look symmetrical. so I'm cutting all around. I have sewn the center back and top stitched in the middle, sewn the pockets back in, this time the right way round, and where it was originally after I unpicked, I was left with some permanent sewing imprint, so I top stitched in green thread, and now it looks lovely and neat. I have sewn the pockets in place, and I folded the front section of the jacket and pinned the shoulders and the side sections ready for sewing. Using the pattern, I have already cut one sleeve. I'm lining up the double seam section to cut the other sleeve so they match and look the same. I tried to follow the original Balmain Jacket sleeve with a double top stitch seam at the front. I'm using the original hem from the trousers, so I won't need to do the hem for the sleeves, so that'll save me some time. I have replaced the original green buttons to some gold buttons just to make it similar to the original Balmain jacket, and I also made 4 buttonholes at the front and sewn 4 gold buttons. It looks really gorgeous. I decided to remove these little buckles that were originally on the trousers, so I don't think I'll need that, so I'll just cut it off. I'm very pleased the way how this back of the jacket looks like. It's just amazing with the top stitching. It looked like quite an interesting feature. I'm very pleased with it. For the collar, I joined some pieces of cream leather like patchwork and cut using the collar pattern. I added 5 small pieces of elastic around 6 centimeters in length and sewn in the neck edge to make it detachable. Like the original Balmain jacket, it has a detachable collar. I sewn 5 buttons to the edge of the collar, so it will be easily removable, detachable before washing. I added some bias binding to the collar edge so the jacket can be worn with or without the collar. I'm over the moon with this Balmain inspired jacket. I managed to upcycle a men's trousers into something very useful and wearable. This jacket is just gorgeous. I'm in love with it. It's a wardrobe staple. It's a classic style and very versatile. You can wear it any season over skirts, dresses or jeans. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and I would love if you could also subscribe to my channel. That will help my channel grow. Thanks very much for watching, and see you again with another very inspirational idea.